Today's protest was supposed to be peaceful. It was supposed to be a show of solidarity, a voice of the people. But what happened? The state turned its guns against its own citizens, against students, against minors, against unarmed protesters who only wanted to be heard. And why? Because a few so called honorable ministers could not tolerate their egos being questioned. Their order to fire was not an act of governance, it was an act of cowardice, of tyranny, of criminal arrogance. Do not dare call this normal. Do not dare dismiss this bloodshed as routine. Every drop of blood spilled today is on the hands of those who gave the order, and history will remember them not as leaders but as murderers in power. This massacre was avoidable, yet they chose bullets over dialogue, violence over democracy, and now they expect us to stay silent? A big no. We will not back down. We will not forgive. We will not forget. If they think people's outrage can be crushed with fear, let them remember regimes built on corruption and brutality have always fallen, and this one will too. The deaths of our brave protesters cannot be compensated, cannot be covered up, cannot be erased. The time for excuses is over. The time for accountability is here. This system, rotten to its core, designed to shield corruption and protect criminals in suits, must be dismantled. If those in power still believe they are untouchable, let them wait and see, because the people are rising, and no bullet, no baton, no order will stop what's coming.